A couple times a year I run into a situation gluing up projects where I need to clamp with a lot of reach. And for that I need a deep reach clamp. Now there are commercial deep reach clamps available, but they tend to be a little bit pricey. And when you get to the larger deep reach clamps, well, they're very, very pricey. But good news, you can build your own deep reach clamps in your shop. All you need is some straight grain hardwood and a little bit of hardware. These clamps that we're featuring in Woodsmith magazine work by sliding along the shaft and engaging in these notches. Construction's pretty straightforward. And the nice thing is, there's a little bit of metal work to do, but it's simple. It'll be very easy for you to do. The head is bound together with these barrel bolts. And the threaded rod here, well, that's 5/8 Acme rod. And that's the same threaded rod used in this bad boy. So it's strong. So this winter, set aside some time and a little bit of wood and have some fun building a full set of deep reach clamps for your shop. We're going to show you how to build 8-inch clamps, 10-inch, and provide an online extra for 12-inch clamps. And you'll find it where else? Woodsmith magazine.